हेलो एवरीवन। हम जीडीएनटी का आज हम देखेंगे जीडीएनटी का सेशन 2 में हम देखेंगे जीडीएनटी सिस्टम्स। जीडीएनटी सिस्टम इंट्रोड्यूस टू ASME Y14.5 M 1994 ASME Y14.5 M 1994 cornerstones of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. ASME Y14.5 M 1994 is a seminal standard in the field of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, introduced by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers (ASME). The M designation indicates the comprehensive coverage of both metric and inch unit. This standard serves for ensuring precision, clarity, and consistency in engineering drawings, thereby streamlining manufacturing process and enhancing product quality. ASME Y14.5 and 1994 provides a comprehensive set of rules, symbols, and definitions for GD&T. It establishes uniform practices for defining and interpreting tolerancing interpreting tolerances in technical drawings and documentation. Some common datum feature simulators are surface plates, angle plates, chucks, mandrels, and machine tables. Key components of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. GD&T में कुछ हम की कंपोनेंट्स यूज करते हैं जिसे हम स्पेसिफाई करते हैं कि ज्योमेट्रिक डायमेंशनिंग एंड टॉलरेंसिंग. First point is symbol. Symbol standardized graphical representation of geometric characteristics, for example, flatness, parallelism, concentricity. The second point is rules and definitions. Rules and definition guidelines for applying GD&T symbols and terms consistently, ensuring clarity in communication. Third point is datum. Datum references point or planes established on a part to which other features are related for dimensional control. 4 point is tolerances. Its tolerances specifications for allowable variations in geometric characteristics. Fifth point is purpose. For purpose for key components used for geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. To provide a common language for engineers, manufacturers, and quality control professionals to accurately define and interpret tolerances, reducing errors and miscommunication. Major benefits of geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. First, improve clarity and precision. GD&T offers a clear, standardized method for defining tolerances, reducing ambiguity in engineering drawings, prevents misunderstanding, and ensures consistent part interpretations among stakeholders. Second benefit is enhanced interchangeability. Interchangeability by standardizing tolerances with specifications. GD&T guarantees part compatibility across different batches or manufacturers, facilitates smooth assembly and replacement, essential for mass production and maintenance. Third benefit is optimized manufacturing process. GD&T aids in selecting the most suitable manufacturing processes by clearly outlining required tolerances, enables efficient process planning and execution to achieve desired tolerances. Fourth benefit is increased design flexibility. GD&T allows designers to specify exact functional requirements without overly restricting manufacturing methods, provides design freedom while ensuring part functionality. Fifth benefit is enhanced quality control. GD&T offers detailed inspection and measurement criteria for essential part conformance to specified tolerances, improve defects detection and correction capabilities. Sixth benefit is reduced production costs. Clearly defined tolerances and functional requirements prevent costly rework and scrap, leads to more efficient production and lower overall costs. Seventh benefits is facilitated communication. Gradient standardize communication of tolerances and geometric requirements on technical drawings, ensuring consistent interruption across term, reducing error and improving collaboration. Eighth benefit is supports advanced manufacturing techniques. Gradient is well suited for modern manufacturing methods, demanding precise control over part geometry, enhances the production of complex and high precision parts. Thank you so much.